it's Bonnie, and Nessa here, and hope everything goes well with you. Okay, now I'd like to give you a detailed introduction about our desktop laser engraving and cutting machine. Okay, as you can see, it's compact in design. Yeah, that is because all the necessary parts are integrated in it, such as the air assist pump and the exhaust blower. Yeah, there is nothing to do. You just can connect in the power and use it. Later, I will show the internal hardware of this machine. So please keep watching. And okay, this machine, we know it can engrave and cut many kinds of materials, such as the wood, acrylic, two-color sign laminate, and leather, textile, yeah, etc. It can even engrave on stone and much more. But among them, the acrylic, wood, and leather are the most commonly used materials, I think. Okay, the size, let's look at the working area. Yeah, this is about 27 inches by 20 inches, and the maximum workpiece height is about 7 inches. That is because the table can up and down electrically. Okay, this front door can be opened. Let's open it. Okay, can you see? We provide both a stainless steel plate table for laser engraving and this full support honeycomb table for laser cutting. We can put different thickness materials easily and quickly. Okay, look at here. This is a workpiece fixing framework. If we wanna engrave on rubber stamp, we can fix them tightly to avoid shaking. Okay, that's the basic design and parameters. Our desktop machine includes many high-end design elements. Okay, let's look at this part. The laser head includes an air assist assembly that can protect the laser lens from dust and cutting vapor. It can sweep the cutting surface. It can reduce the possibility of flaming or scorching during the cutting and engraving on wood or acrylic. Yes, we know the carbon dioxide beam is invisible. We can't see it. So there will be a red dot pointer. Will let you know the locating where the laser will fire. Yes, and the system can automatically set the right distance between the leather hand and the material. Yeah, give you a perfect effect on the engraving and cutting. Okay, let's look at this part. This is a radar controller. Yeah, we can, through the panel, we can see the real-time information, and then we can adjust parameters for different materials. We even can run a processing simulation on the panel. Okay, and this part, we can connect the machine to our computer by using USB and wireless network. Okay, here is a small side door. Let's press the button down and see what's here. Okay, this is a guideway. Yeah, the linear bearing and slide rails are enclosed by belts that can ensure the long-term stability of the laser path. Okay, this is a step motor. Yeah, with this motor, the laser hand can go very fast. I can say for sure that the speed is faster than the industry average. Okay, let's look at the back of the machine. This is a laser tube. We can, according your requirements, we can install 60 or 80 glass laser tube or RF metal laser tube. Yeah, we recommend the last one. It can allow you get more done with less time. This is optics. Yeah, that is top quality and American made. American made. Yes, for Americans isn't imported, but for people from other countries is imported, I think. Okay, now I will introduce the Eagle Works and the Eagle Drive printer. Eagle Drive printer. The first one, Eagle Works. Was it is a complete software which you can creating, optimizing, processing patterns. Yes, for the laser engraving and cutting. Okay, first you can import a design from your favorite illustration program or create an original design with the Eagle Works software, and then you can adjust the cutting or engraving order and specify the layout. And finally, you can control the machine directly. Okay, that is the Eagle Works software. And the later one, Eagle Print Driver. Yeah, with our Eagle Print Driver, the laser can be a printer. Yeah, it's so easy because we can run this machine directly from any illustration program. Yeah, it's very easy. Okay, that's so much today. Okay, there is also a question that everyone is concerned that is it compatible with Lightburn? Yes, 100% compatible with Lightburn. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for your watching. Goodbye.